Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got another quick new arrivals video for you. So all the bags that I'll be showing have already been listed in the shop. They just came in. And then also I'll probably have some more bags coming in the near future. So if you want to subscribe to the channel, if you're not already, I'll probably be posting more new arrivals here in the near future. So now I'll go ahead and show you each specific bag. So the first new arrival is this station bag. The style number, in case you want to look it up, is 5130, and this bag I believe was probably made in the late 80s to early 90s. That's my estimate, and it was made in the US. And as you can see, the color is a nice dark navy. It almost looks like a black in some lighting, but it is navy. And here's a quick photo of the creed so you can see what it looks like. And then here's what the side and the back looks like. So it's a nice bag. It's got a nice front pocket here, and then here's the body of the bag. I have it stuffed with paper to keep the shape. So that's what this one looks like. So the next bag is a shoulder pouch. The style number is 5160, and I believe the color is likely Tabak, but I'm not 100% sure, but I assume so because when I looked up, when someone showed me a photo of the original catalog photo, it said it did come in Tabak, and I know it's probably not British tan, so that would be my guess is Tabak. And this one was made in the original New York City factory, and I would assume it was likely made in the 80s based on the creed format, so I'm not 100% sure, but that would be my guess. So here's a better view of the shoulder pouch. And here's the back. It does have quite a bit of wear on the back, unfortunately, but at least I guess it's not the front. And then these straps do detach if you wanted to just carry it by hand, which is nice. And then when you open it, it does have nice pockets here and here and here, so a little extra storage, and then it's got quite a bit of storage in the main body compartment, and then it's got a zip closure here that goes all the way across, which is nice. You can kind of see it better. And then of course I have it stuffed with paper just to retain the shape. So there's that shoulder pouch. Next we have this beautiful white pocket purse. This one was made in the US in 1995, and as you can see, it's in really good condition. The strap here is actually sort of stiff still, which is kind of a good indicator that the bag was likely never used, because I've noticed with time the straps tend to soften as leather does. So that's one good determining factor, is to look at the straps. It's kind of a little tip that I've picked up over time. And anyway, yeah, this bag I believe was probably never used based on the condition. It does have a little bit of wear here and there that I think is just from storage and age, but overall I don't think it was likely ever used. So here's an up-close view of the bag. It's got a nice pocket back here, and here's what the inside looks like. Another deep pocket in the front, and then the main body of the bag, and just like an open pocket here where the creed is. And of course the strap does detach, so you can carry it as a crossbody or a clutch, which is nice. It's kind of like a 2-for-1. And then here we have one of the most exciting new arrivals, which actually already sold. It sold within about 2 to 3 days of me listing it, and I think the reason is because it's new with tags, so it was obviously never used, which is pretty rare to find with these bags, but I do come across it every once in a while. So anyway, this is another pocket purse. I've been actually finding quite a few of them lately. So if you like the style, I have a couple in right now. So anyway, the style number for pocket purses is 9755, and this specific one was made in Turkey. in 1998 and the color is British Tan. So I'll show you real fast. Here are the tags. Here's the Coach tag, which has the style number, the color, and the name of the purse, or the name of the style of bag. And then I think this is some sort of department store tag. So it's actually got 2 tags on it, so that was pretty cool to find. And also, if the person that purchased it is watching this channel, thank you so much for your purchase. And I'll go ahead and show you more of the bag in a close-up here in a second. And then here's a close-up of this bag so you can see it a little bit better. It's also got a nice slip pocket back here. And here's the tags that show was never used. The original Coach tag, which is really cool that I was able to find it. And then here's the inside. It's got this nice suede texture and another pocket in the front, and then here's the body of it. And still got some tissue paper inside. And then what's interesting is the hardware on the strap on this one is slightly different than the white pocket purse that I also just listed. It's got these smaller dog leash clasps where the other one has the lobster clasp. Here's the hardware on the white one. So as you can see, they're slightly different. They had different variations of the pocket purses, I suppose. I've seen both types of straps. I also have a pocket purse in the shop right now that is the same like kind of style as this one, the same style of straps and everything, but it's bone colored. So it's kind of like white, but just a little bit more of a beige or cream color. It's really nice as well. It looks like it probably wasn't really used either. So I can link that one below too. Right now I've been finding a lot of pocket purses. I actually have another one in British Tan that's on its way to me, so I'll probably be listing that one here hopefully in the next week or so whenever I get it. So I'll probably be featuring that one in a video as well. But anyway, those are the new arrivals that I just got in and got listed, so I'll link them all below in case anyone wants to take another look at them. Yeah, and if you have any questions for me or any comments, please feel free to leave them below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.